我让他把我过去鱼，过去鱼。
Toronto really got hit hard by like 4 big storms, snowstorms, within like maybe 7 days. It was like Tuesday, Wednesday, and then like Friday, Saturday or something like that, where it's just snowing, constantly blizzard-like conditions, crazy windy, -5, -10, you know. Really kind of unusual that storms would hit back to back like that. So it created a lot of frustration for people, and the snow really piled up, and getting around was really tough. Toronto's a winter city, so we're used to this kind of thing, so we can handle it. But still, though, 4 consecutive storms, and we got as much snow in like 1 week that we got like all of last year, basically, which is crazy. So I thought it was a great time to get out on one of the last days of the storm and document, how people are getting around and what was going on in the downtown here. And you know, I'm really lucky to live in a city where we get a full 4 seasons. You know, the winters it can be like this, blizzard conditions, and it's like you're living in the Arctic. In the summer, it's almost like tropical sometimes. It's super humid and hot, and you can barely go outside sometimes. And then we have everything in between. Fall is very colorful. Spring is also beautiful here. So it's, you know, from a photography perspective and even from street photography, it adds to a lot of the flavor and diversity of living in the city. It's one of the reasons why I love living here in this beautiful cosmopolitan city of Toronto. So thanks for watching that one all the way through, guys. And tried to do something a little bit different with this video, a little bit more cinematic style. And you may have noticed that I was shooting with a new camera. It's the Fujifilm X-T5. I actually picked it up just a couple months ago. I sold my old X-T20, and I mean, I had the X-T20 since 2018, so, you know, going on more than 7 years, so it was a while, and it's a good time to upgrade. Got the X-T5 and I actually took it on the trip. I went to Portugal and Morocco in the month of January of this year, so, you know, the camera worked really well. I was really impressed with the performance and the IQ and everything. Really happy with it. I love the weather sealing, and the video features are great as well. It allows me to capture quick B-roll and things like that and create videos like what I did today. And again, you know, check out the POV photo walk video that I did from Lisbon, Portugal. It's on the channel right now. I'll put the link somewhere up here. And definitely look out for more Portugal related videos in Morocco as well. I think I got some pretty decent images, and above all, you know, I had a really amazing time out there. Met some amazing people. But like shooting in the snow is fun, but it's also challenging. I put the X-T5 into like a plastic bag kind of thing to protect it. One good thing about the X-T5 that I like over the X-T20, my old camera, is that the X-T5 is supposed to be completely weather sealed, and I paired it with the Fuji 23mm, which is also supposed to be weather sealed. Have you guys tried shooting in challenging weather conditions? Like it's really hot or cold or dry, you know, like the desert, or you're up in like a very cold climate up in the mountains or the Arctic or something, or you're out in the ocean or at a beach. How did you guys manage that? What was your experience like? Were you guys able to keep your gear safe? And if so, how did you do so? Do you think that you're able to capture the stories that you're looking to capture and interesting moments and things like that despite the challenging weather conditions? Let me know in the comments below. So as always, you know, I hope everybody's doing well, and thanks for watching. And like I mentioned before, I'm look out for more Portugal and Morocco related videos coming up in the next couple months. And I may also post a video that I did about Toronto Carnival last summer that I've kind of been sitting on. It's because there's a lot to edit, all the photos and everything. But I'll probably post that eventually in the next couple months. So look out for that as well. Look forward to all of that. And again, you know, feel free to reach out, drop a comment or two. Let me know how you're doing, what you're shooting, how things are going with your photography. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.